we're live. Okay guys, so good morning. So welcome back to our channel. So today guys, we will be unboxing the splitter, the audio splitter. Na-remember niyo before guys, nag-order tayo nito for the audio splitter kasi we have the Boya MM1 to. Yan, Boya MM1 for the audio pick up kasi one directional yan. And then we have the Boya LM10 lavalier. So this one guys, dito natin yan nilalagay sa yan, sa chest natin para makuha. Ngayon hindi pa tayo gumagamit ng microphone. We are just using the Huawei microphone, built-in microphone. So the reason we purchased this Vavin guys, para sana ma-connect natin ang dalawang microphone dito at papasok ito sa cellphone natin para ma-pick up natin yung audio sa front using the Boya M1 at ma-pick up natin sa back yung audio for the speaker tulad ko. But unfortunately, this one is not working. Ang nag-work lang sa kanya is if you are listening to music, then pwede siya ma-split yung audio for listening only. But for recording, it's not. So, that's why we purchased this one. This one is for... this one pala is 170 including the shipping. Which is up for sale now sa store natin. This one is it's only 29 pesos, but I purchased this one for 121 including the shipping fee. Okay, so we'll now unbox. Check natin if mag-work siya. Yan. Yan. So isang ano lang siya guys, medyo malaki siya, no? Medyo malaki siya compare dito. Kasi yung ano natin, yung audio mics natin is tatlong stripe siya. So the reason we purchased this one is tatlong stripe din siya, you know. So I think this one will work. So connect natin. Dalawa. By the way guys, I will show you muna. Iko-connect ko muna yung lavalier para ma-distinguish niyo or ma-differentiate niyo yung audio enhancement natin. Yan, so that's the lavalier. So right now the lavalier is connected to my phone directly, okay? So maririnig niyo ako using the lavalier. Hello, sound check. Ngayon I will unplug the lavalier and connect my Boya MM1 para you can also hear kung ano ang kinaibahan nila. Since may windshield siya guys, medyo yung yung pickup niya hindi mas masyado sensitive compare sa lavalier. So sound check. Yan. I'm using now the MM1. So now I will connect the splitter. Hopefully mag-work siya. Yan. So ang purpose nito guys is para ma-pick up natin yung audio front and back. Yan. So connected na siya guys. LM10 lavalier at Boya MM1. So I'll connect now. Okay. So right now I'm speaking through my lavalier here. Now I'm speaking through my Boya MM1 here. So I hope na nag-work siya. I-check ko muna. I-check ko. I'll be right back. By the way guys, good evening. So while vlogging sa audio adapter natin, nagdidira muna ako. Kimchi. Yan. Courtesy of Boss Michael. Perfect. So 60 per tab. Yan. If you want to order. Best serve. If mayroon kayong sinugba na fish. Yan. Yan, bangus yan. Then mayroon kayong para sa kamote. At mayroong tawag dito, sinugba na okra na lagay namin sa foil. Medyo batok pero namin. Yan. Yan o. So, makahang-kahang. Yan. Harap. Okay. Tapos ako naman yung kain ko, guys. Okay guys, so we're back. So ito na yung ano guys, ito na yung headset ko.
Dito, manunuot na yung lasa.
So audio splitter daw to. So connect natin para makita ni seller. Yan, ito headset to. Headset to guys, headset. No, headset to. Yan, headset.
At syempre, pag luto
yan,
na
headset.
yung...
So i-connect ko yan ngayon sa headset na port. Yan. So-connect ko yan sa headset na port.
Chicken oil. So, itong chicken oil ko,
okay. Ngayon, naka-full na yan, audio na yan.
Para dito sa ipampapahid ko.
So-connect ko muna dito sa phone.
Chicken oil na ginawa natin kanina.
I will let you hear na yung headset mismo gumagana. Yan. Yan o. Headset. Connected sa headset sa dito. So, ngayon, lagay ko yung microphone. Yan, maririnig nyo. Yan. So, the headset is working. So, ngayon, ikakabit ko yung audio adapter. Try natin yung audio adapter.
Toyo, kalamansi at sili, di ba? Okay na yan. Siyempre, yung iba dito, lulutuin pa natin.
So, all the way na?
Kaya naman, yung magagawa, kasi punan ko kanina, 2 kilos, 10 piraso yung aking chicken. Depende po yan sa chicken na mabibili mo sa bigat, di ba?
So, pag connect ko, dapat supposed to be mawawala yung sound dito sa phone ko.
Ngayon, ang naging puhunan natin lahat-lahat na gastos ko
so,
dyan
it's not working, seller,
pesos para dun sa ating
andito pa rin yung sound dito.
Optional, kung may rice ka,
so meaning to say,
so ang bentahan natin dito
hindi siya compatible. Na-try ko na din sa iba, sa PC ko, na-try ko na din. I tried also on my PC. I tried it also on my other phones. So it's not working. I will try another port. Wala din. Wala, oh. Nawala yung sound niya dyan, pero ito, try nyo, oh. Wala pa rin, oh. Yan, wala, oh. Wala. Okay, so I need a refund kasi because it's not working. Alright. Wala talaga. Hindi siya compatible.
So, meron ako.
Wala talaga.
Itong 1.5
okay.
1.5 tablespoon ng.
Okay, seller. So right now, I connected your adapter here sa PC ko, na PC there. And I connected 2 microphones. Okay. So if I say something sa microphone, okay. So it's not even it's not moving. The waveform is not moving. Same with the Boya MM1 that is connected also to the adapter here. It's not moving. But if I disconnect your adapter, this one, and connect, okay, so I disconnected your adapter. Okay, so I disconnect your adapter and I could disconnected my Boya LM10 directed to my PC. And if I record, if I record, if I touch, the waveform is moving. Okay. Same with my other Boya MM1. Okay, so I connected my MM1 as you can see. Oh, and then I record. Wait. You can see the waveform is moving. Let me play. First one. Second one. Nah, that's for my Boya element. And then for your adapter, this one, the first one. No movement, even if I forward, no audio. So it wasn't picking up anything.